Hi friends, it's Maya and it's Tea Tuesday, my friends, and on this Tea Tuesday I'm having some coffee and I'm having some coffee with Coffee Mate. Now if you haven't discovered Coffee Mate in your coffee, you must, because it's absolutely delicious. I'm using one hand to do this, my friend. Now, I had forgotten about Coffee Mate in your coffee or your tea because it's absolutely delicious. And normally I put about 3 teaspoons of Coffee Mate in my coffee. See how nice and brown that is? Oh, I'm loving it. And then I just add some sugar in this. And I'm using one hand, so I'm sorry about the shakiness, my friends. And honestly, this is absolutely delicious with the Coffee Mate in it. Now, I've also put the Coffee Mate in when I'm making my tea as well. And it really makes the coffee delicious. Now, I haven't had condensed milk in my coffee for a while. Oh my gosh, that is so good. I've replaced it now with Coffee Mate. I think it was COVID. It was hard to get condensed milk, the big cans, the Dutch Baby that I normally buy. So I just kind of switched over to Coffee Mate. And I'm telling you, oh my goodness, it is absolutely delicious. So if you've tried Coffee Mate in your coffee, let me know. Also, along with Tea Tuesday, I wanted to show you this. I love those. And open it again. That is cool. That is cool. And how much is that?
$12.99.
$12.99. That's a very, very good price.
Because once these go, I feel like Costco gets them first, and then you're gonna find them at like Canadian Tire for double the price.
Wow, this is a good price, and I mean, so it's pretty, yeah, deep enough to put in.
Yeah, like some eggs.
That is pretty
veggies.
cool. I could do that. I don't put nothing more on my thing.
Right, you don't even have to get a bag or a cart or like a thingy when you go into like a grocery
just
store.
bring it and just load it up. I think I'm gonna get one. So my friends, I wanted to show you these collapsible basket from Costco. Now you've seen me through my Costco hauls when I use the bigger ones. When I do my groceries at Costco's. Now, Costco have discovered a way to have these smaller versions available. A great find, only $12.99 at Costco, my friends. And you know, the thing with Costco, when something gets popular, it goes really, really fast. I absolutely believe that this is a game changer for us who goes into Costco all the time and go to local grocery stores to buy a grocery, my friends. You do not have to purchase plastic bags anymore. These reusable baskets are collapsible, so they do not use up a lot of space in your cars. It's easy breezy, and I mean, great find, Costco. I don't know, every single month I go into Costco, I discover something new, and these baskets are a must buy.
You guys,
I swear I don't get a kickback from
yeah, they come in handy.
They do. Get one of these baskets from Costco. They're absolutely useful. Since I bought it, I've used it so many times. I no longer bag my grocery at the grocery store. I just roll it out in a cart to my car, and then I put them in the basket just to easily take them into the house. It's such an easy thing to do. So run out and get yourself one of these baskets from Costco, my friends. And that's basically it for Tea Tuesday. Make sure you comment below if you have tried Coffee Mate before in your coffee or your tea. Just let me know. Okay, my friends, let's go ahead and say it. This is my time and I deserve something better. Thank you for watching.